not even heard. As soon as I see the video,
Yeah.
I have to be like, what's going on with Jakey? Because this is not normal Jakey.
Honestly, with that check still, wait to my general still, the man is a bridge, you know, mine will look for me and say, yo, you have to come with something different, see me?
Yeah.
I'll sit down and meds to already, man, I'll come up with this. Believe me, dog, it take a little while to come up with it, but...
And a lie.
Yeah.
But for those of you who don't know Jakey, Jakey's not a stranger to the Upnlive show. He's been on season 1, season 2, and he's here in season 3 as well. And he's been doing crazy things, trust me, around London and the dancehall space. He's a slash dancehall reggae artist, a singer, as you can hear, a ladies man as well. And this video, if you have seen the video, actually you can look into the website, the World Mag website. It should be there. Trust me, you need to see this video. It's a crazy video. Jakey, talk to me about this video and tell me what was going, because this is not normally you.
I must say, brother, yes, I mean, this is what I like the song, much,
Yeah.
but I have to like put a little video behind it, like represent it away, you see me?
Yeah.
Like, me and the cameraman, we take with time, do the shooting,
Yeah.
go over different scenes, like a bunch of pick out, poutine, selection of what, you see me? But
Yeah.
that's the one I make something like, something decent, you see me? I say, not a typical old round
Yeah.
the corner thing, you see me?
Because it's not typical, that's what I'm saying. It's
I
not.
say, I never wanted to run the typical round the block thing down. We just want so like when you see it,
Yeah.
you can say like an effort going on that one. You see me?
I can see money when I see this video, you know. I can see pounds when I see this video, you know, brother. I can see it.
Yeah.
Because when I saw the video go up first on Instagram, I'm like, hey, Jakey, I wish a rapper video this Jakey is sharing. And when we look, we see the clean rasta come out and some clean peps are roll out in the video. I'm like, that's the levels, yeah?
I must say, brother, not the typical man. They just want, honestly, I get a lot of help and aid upon the video. Yeah. I get a lot of energy and help from certain people check for money still. You see me? And it come out, not telling like, it even surprise me. Like, come out, surprise me.
It's not a surprise to you in terms of the vocal and the capability of writing the lyrics.
No, not even that, no. When I say the overall package,
yeah.
Like, even though we do it and I may do it, then I'm proud of it. Just want to blow them own trumpet. But when I say this, my first video, my dog.
Yeah.
My first video.
It is the first video.
I'm not a video I wrote now, nothing. Some of the sides are for the first one.
You have to go all out and done, right?
You see me? Represent, at least makes people say, yeah, try. At least I can say, yo, that you try. You see me? I say,
definitely.
Brother. So, I do something like that, you see.
Okay, if you're just joining us right now, and I need people to be involved as well, log on to Jakey's Instagram. Can you just plug your Instagram for me? What's your Instagram name? Alright,
my Instagram name is JA_KEYY. You see me? If you look on my Instagram right now,
you can see the video I'm talking about.
See a little preview.
You get a preview of the video.
The official release I gonna come like 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now. Come, I need to get certain fine prints.
Sign off
first, before you see me, but. When I look for try do official with this.
Yeah, but you even your tone is different from the last time we spoke. Because remember the last time you told me that I'm Rick. It's 2017. I'm gonna put in a whole heap of work in a brother.
Man, brother, man, living in a studio, my dog, man.
Yeah, and I can see that. I can see that. And I can see that in the quality of work that you're putting out right now.
Yeah, man, brother. I just know our little studio would have cramp and that cramp the recording for the year. So that's why I'm even focused on the video so much. Because I'm not pre the recording, you see me? So now that this out of the way, back to work, you see me?
So what's been happening since I seen you last? Cause
honestly, I want to try further on the music thing. I mean, our competition, we got Britney's Got Reggae. Shout out to that.
Yeah.
In the semi-finals for that. You see me? Out and on in the 3rd of August. You see me? Come represent for the kid.
So how can we support you with that? Do we have to come to the show to vote live, or can we vote online? How does it work?
I never send a vote online. The judges, them are the one them will vote. But you don't know, the more people there then come give me an energy and a representation. You see me? You give a vibe to perform. You see me? That's my support.
And that's when?
The 3rd of August.
We're gonna be definitely there. So I didn't even know about this.
Yeah, man.
You don't say anything. If you say things, we can help to promote as well. Cause that's how it is, you know. That's how we do. Each one help on you know that we always help in whatever small way we can.
Yeah, you told me can say certain sure. I'm gonna have to ask.
Simple.
Definitely. As anything I say, you work at that. You see me? So,
simple.
On a level, but without one brother, the reason I'm gonna say nothing.
Yeah.
More actually do something for people see.
Okay.
Without have to say.
We don't have to be okay.
Sometimes if I make people say things.
You're trying to gain new fans as well.
That as well, you see me? Experience plus is like a competition where you practice on stage, right? You learn a little stage performance, you learn a little errors, and people tell you what you're doing wrong, what you need to focus on. So, the whole of that coming together as an artist, make you a rounded artist when you get the whole package right, innit?
Okay.
So, that man I go for down. So, and plus, I'm winning it nice thing, anyway. So,
definitely. Anything new other than the spanking new video that we've seen? Do you have any more new songs coming out?
And as I say, brother, I have a bunch of new songs written.
Yeah.
I wait upon my general for send me to official rhythm car. From now on, anything I do, if I don't own it, or the person will give me for do it, not own it, I not do it.
You not do it.
Official thing.
It seems like someone sat you down and like say, all right, listen, this is what you got to do. It's like you have a list of things that you have to you've been ticking off.
Yeah, I'm on a checklist. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a method and aim to this thing, you see me?
But that is a good step. That's a good direction. I like to see when people around me, as I said before in my previous interview, I like when people take the right step.
Yeah, man. As I said, brother, there's a method to every madness, you see me? And there's a method to music. And if you follow the right steps,
yeah,
you will, if you're not rich, you will at least draw the attention you need for draw.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So either way, it will work out in your favor. So man, just put in the work.
Yeah, you will be definitely getting the support from us.
Yes,
and as soon as the video drops, we need to get the full extended video and the director's cuts as well, so we can include them.
Yeah, that was the last of the film.
The behind the scenes.
The last of the filming stuff.
But people, you need to see the video when it comes out, and it's going to be coming out in
right now, you see it?
2 weeks time. The full video is going to be out.
Yeah, the full video.
Do you have a YouTube page?
I'm going to do the YouTube thing without even blowing trumpet or trying to jinx it. The director for the video done link one of them channel people there already, Graham Daly, you see me?
Okay.
And them just wait on the go ahead from me for upload it all, man, after the you see me?
Yeah.
So, it'll work, my G.
It'll work.
It'll work. That's how I can say that.
That's what I like.
That.
This is what I like to see when people just making the steps, positive movements. As I say, you think positive things come into play. It's simple.
Yeah,
and just working towards it and just doing the work. Because you can't just hope for things and it's not going to work.
Mad man, you want to go to your nose for run, brother. You see me? Father God help his children, them, but he help you more when you try. You see me? I say, brother. So you have to go do something for yourself.
Simple. Can you just tell people how to find your music again for me, please?
As I say, you can check me JA_KEYY, Instagram, Facebook, JA space KEY, SoundCloud, Jakey Unleash. Yeah, real talent. You don't know our thing that check the printing company.
Yeah.
You see me? Juvenile, big up yourself, my general. You see me? So, man, just stay up with the team.
Simple. Right. Before we go, as I said, anybody come on my set has to do something live. Because we don't believe in the bogus people who say, oh, I'm a singer, but you're only a studio singer. So you're going to have to do something live for us. You want to do a piece of this song that's playing, or you want to do something else? Freestyle?
Else, man. Go and man.
Okay, freestyle. Yes, this is Jakey right here live on the Upnlive show.
Said, darling, more all and grey. My story now got have no if or maybe. Tell your man I go for this now. Tell your man I go for this now. Today I go be my day. I'm telling you my big payday. The big payday. Man I go and search for the avenue. The ice green and gold, it's a camera true. Today I go be my day. I'm telling you my big payday. My big payday. Man I go and search for the avenue.
You see that?
Simple and easy, brother. Big up to the monster, you see?
Yeah, man. Anybody want a quick shout out to before we go, finally?
As I say, big up to the team, real talent, Jada Nice. Shanty Force, my general. Big up on your Earth Strong, my dopes. Anywhere there around town. Blessed Earth Strong, my general. You hear that?
See that. Respect.
The whole works. Foley, Raskina, the whole works. You see me?
See that, man.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for passing through to the Upnlive show. And there you had it. Jakey was definitely on set today. And make sure you support the video when it comes out. And the video is called Give You Some Love. And it's called Jakey, JAKEY_.
Yeah,
simple. Don't left the underscore.
No long thing, you see? JA_KEYY. You see me?
Lovely.
I must say the full video I got out soon. Honestly, I try. You see me, sir?
All right, lovely. That was Jakey. Those who can stay. Up next, we got young ones in the building. We got approximately 10 minutes coming up to 8. This is Flames Radio, Rick Upnlive.